Filmora versus Kdenlive. Choosing the right free video editor can completely change how you create stunning videos without expensive software. Both offer powerful tools but differ in ease of use and customization options. If Filmora and Kdenlive are popular free video editors designed for different users. Filmora focuses on a user-friendly interface with ready-made effects, while Kdenlive offers advanced customization and open-source flexibility. The core difference lies in simplicity versus control. Filmora is a free video editing software known for its intuitive design and ease of use. It works by providing a drag-and-drop timeline where users can easily add clips, transitions, and effects without a steep learning curve. Filmora includes a rich library of built-in filters, titles, and music, making it ideal for beginners and casual creators. Its strengths include fast rendering times and a clean interface that guides users through the editing process smoothly. However, the free version adds a watermark to exported videos, and some advanced features require paid upgrades. Filmora is perfect for users who want quick results with minimal technical setup, such as bloggers, social media creators, and hobbyists looking for polished videos without complex editing. Kdenlive is a free, open-source video editor that offers a robust set of tools for more experienced users. It works by providing a multi-track timeline with extensive options for effects, transitions, and keyframe animation. Kdenlive supports a wide range of video formats and codecs, giving users flexibility in their workflow. Its strengths lie in powerful customization, including configurable layouts and advanced audio and video effects. On the downside, Kdenlive can have a steeper learning curve and occasional stability issues depending on the system. It is ideal for users comfortable with technical software, such as independent filmmakers, educators, and hobbyists who want full control over their edits without licensing restrictions. Comparing Filmora and Kdenlive highlights a trade-off between ease and control. Filmora excels in quick, polished edits with a simple interface, perfect for users prioritizing speed and ready-made effects. Kdenlive, meanwhile, suits users who need deep customization and open-source flexibility, ideal for complex projects or experimental editing. Filmora's watermark in the free version may limit professional use, while Kdenlive's occasional bugs require patience and troubleshooting. For social media content or beginner projects, Filmora offers a smoother experience. For detailed editing and format versatility, Kdenlive stands out. Both are excellent free options depending on your editing style and technical comfort. Choose Filmora if you want an easy-to-use, visually appealing editor for quick projects and social media videos without a steep learning curve. Opt for Kdenlive if you need powerful customization and open-source freedom, and you're comfortable with a more technical interface. Both editors deliver great value for free, so pick the one that fits your workflow and creative goals best.